Coming to you from the floor of the CME Group, I'm Eric Wolfman Wilkinson. Let's get in the zone, the cash money zone. It's Monday, we got a big week ahead of us, all kinds of economic data. Thursday, we've got the FOMC meeting. It's a two-day meeting. Could be very important, especially for all of these commodities like gold and the precious metals. Those have seen a huge uprise. That's because they're expecting, after Friday's data on the unemployment front, that it is solidified that the FOMC is going to go ahead and come up with some more quantitative easing. That's sending all these commodities higher, like the precious metals that people run to for safety. In the grain room, though, we're seeing a lot of downward pressure still continuing. This morning earlier, we had the wheat really rallying off of bad weather data coming out of the southern hemisphere. Anything south of the equator, they're starting their harvest. It's not looking too good. It's looking really dry. So wheat started pushing higher. I tweeted out last night that wheat is still the leader and is going to lead the rest of the grain complex. So if you see wheat pushing up, you could buy some corn and kind of trail off of that. Well, but right now we're at this 798 level in corn. We need to really get above 804 to get this bulls really back into this market. Like I said, the value for the volume is at $8. The time we've spent is at 808. But for this month, it's starting to trail just below that $8 mark at 798, which we've seen a lot of trade in the last couple of days right at those levels. But in order to get these bulls rejuvenated, we need to get above 804 definitely to be able to start pushing higher. Now, into the S&Ps. S&Ps, like I said, we've gotten real comfortable with this 1400 level, and then when we got up above 1435, we saw a huge volume shift there. That's basically where the shorts started panicking out. Now we've traded above that. We've got the shorts that didn't get out early enough really on their heels. So if we can close above 1440, it definitely looks like the bulls are going to be in control, and we could see a definite mark move higher. In here, we have on Wednesday, we have the WASDE report, which is the World Agricultural Supply and Demand Estimates. Those are going to come out on Wednesday morning. We're going to have an earlier morning opening down here at 7:20 for that 7:30 number. So it's chock full of major data. We could see some big moves. Today is key for the S&Ps to determine whether or not the bulls are going to have the upper hand or whether or not the bears are going to take control of this market. So if we can settle above 1440, like I said, the bulls will take control. If we get anywhere down close to that 1400 level, it's not going to be looking too good. All right? So if you can't take that, take it easy.